to show you how to play Ring Ring by ABBA. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody. We're in the key of A flat and we start on an A flat. A flat, C, E flat, E flat, C, F, E flat, E flat, double, F, A flat, A flat, F, B flat, A flat, D flat, two of them, F, A flat, A flat, three A flats, B flat, A flat, A flat, A flat, down an octave, A flat, C, E flat. Then we just do it again. Now that line changes a little bit. The first time you stand on the A flat. This time you go. And then the pre-chorus we've got E flat, G, B flat, G, C, E flat, G, B flat, G, C, B flat, C, B flat, A flat, and the chorus A flat, B flat, C, D flat, C, C, B flat, G, 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 A flat, B flat, C, B flat, A flat, A flat. Do it again. Then we've got B flat, C, D flat, C, D flat, B flat, D flat, C, D flat, B flat. Then B flat, A flat, G, 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 A flat, B flat, C, B flat, A flat, A flat. When you get them up to the rhythm and the tempo, it sounds good. If you're going slowly, just picking them out, it doesn't sound as good. But then we go into that introduction. So you're going to have a chord, C, E flat, A flat, an A flat chord with A flat on top. Your A flat chord is black, white, black, C, A flat, C, E flat. We're going to put the C on the bottom and the A flat on top. And the bass is just going to go A flat, D, C, D flat, D, E flat, and repeat it. So we'll do that little riff 3 times, and then we'll end with an A flat, C, and we'll put that with the. Well, there's your intro. For the left hand, in the main verse, you've got A flat, C, E flat, A flat. 3 times, and then you go to a D flat arpeggio. D flat, F. Now notice they're both black, white, black. D flat, F, A flat. You do it 3 times, back to the A flat, C. Back into it. Now once we get into the pre-chorus, it switches to E flat, G, B flat. And for the chorus we've got a. So we've got something different for the chorus, and I'll show you that when we get to it. Now the other thing you can do is set your rhythm on a pop setting and set it at 132 beats per minute, and it'll sound like this if you. If you set that rhythm there at 132 and on a pop setting, it'll sound pretty good on it. It'll stay right at the tempo that they play. Now let's get into that main verse. Right there, you switch to the D flat. Now you can skip that last A flat that I played. See, if you're up to tempo, then you get two A flats going together. So you can leave that A flat out. If you're playing with the drums, you may want to just leave the left hand out because they go to just drums on that pre-chorus. So they go. So if you're playing with the drums, you just leave that left hand out. If you're playing without drums, you can just kind of pulse the left. Give it a little percussive effect. So starting on the D flat, it'd sound like this if you don't have drums going. Once we get to the chorus, it'll help to do a little fingering there. A flat, C, D flat, thumb, E flat. So just cross over. B flat minor chord. I'll show you that when we get to it. So let's go with the chorus. Now you're going to get into fingering problems here with all these black keys with that C in the middle that's not a black key. See, in the key of A flat, you've got a B flat, an E flat, an A flat, and a D flat. So you got 4 of the 5 flats. The only thing that you don't have is this G flat right there. So C is an open white note there. So if you want to, see, it's gonna be awkward if you try to play. If you try to play that little middle, that ring finger and the little finger there. So what I do there is I cross over the thumb with my middle finger there. And it doesn't matter which finger you use there. That one isn't so bad, but it's this one. So then we get into that chorus. Now here you're going to have a G, 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 G that'll go with that B flat. I'm going to slow it down so you can see it. Up to tempo. B flat minor chord, and then you can hold it. I usually play it 4 times in there. And then we're back into the second verse. So there you've got the chorus, the pre-chorus. The chorus is quite repetitive because you just keep going with that A flat and that E flat. having struggles with it, just spend some time on that left hand by itself. And if you master these two, the A flat and the E flat, then you can play the whole thing. So you just need to spend a little bit of time on that left hand by itself. Then we go into the second verse and it's more of the same. See, it doesn't hurt to slow it down. It doesn't hurt the song at all. You can slow it down. You don't have to take it their tempo. To the end of it there, I just go, you can repeat it as long as you want to. They repeat it and fade it out. So what I'll do is I'll repeat it a couple of times, and then I end up with a cha-cha-cha with a C, E flat, A flat at the end. And I'm going to put the drums in there just so that you can see it, how I shut the drums out when I get there. And then you can turn the drums off with your left hand as you're playing that with your right hand. So we'll turn the drums on. And there you have the end of it. Ring Ring by ABBA. Hope you enjoy playing it.